So I just want to say a particular welcome to all the adult learners. I think that was probably the category within which we were most moved and shocked and surprised at the enormity, but also the individual stories that we have heard from so many of you. Such a massive age range and a huge range of professions and life experiences, and also connections to music and to playing instruments. I just personally think it is so commendable and brave for anybody to either be returning to an instrument or to be learning an instrument for the first time later in life. We just want to welcome you absolutely everywhere. Obviously, we have safeguarding issues with the Zoom sectionals, so all of them are for 18 years and under, but everything else will be made available for you. And it's just a case of finding the right level that you'll be able to participate in and that will be most appropriate for you. This is just a very heartfelt thank you for joining us, and I hope you can gain something from this experience, and just hope you enjoy yourself. Thank you for being here.